In this video, I'm going to talk about some key websites that are useful for your family history research. Actually, I would say they're crucial for your family history research. If used correctly, these websites will reveal your ancestors and take your family tree back in time, hopefully towards the medieval period. Who knows? Until you start looking at these websites and using them, you won't find that information. So let's get going. So the first website I want to talk to you about is the National Archives for Ireland. This is a crucial website for your Irish research, and you have to access it if you are only accessing for the free resources. There are soldiers' wills from the First World War, 1914 to 1918. Tithe appointment books from 1823 to 1937. Now, tithes were a 10th part of all crops, animal feed, profits from labour that had to be paid to the parish priest. And these tithe appointment books detail those payments. So if you have ancestors that owned a farm or worked on the land, they may be mentioned in these books. There are also will calendars from 1858 to 1922. So if you had an Irish ancestor who died, did they leave a will? Don't assume that they didn't, because many did. No matter how rich or poor, check out the records on the National Archives of Ireland website. I'm not going to take up any more of your time. Have a look at them, explore, and let me know what you find. Good luck and have fun.